Hi, my name is Sajana and I'm a skincare specialist. I believe that skincare is not only about the product that you choose to buy, but also the food that you choose to eat. And there is a deeper connection between the skin and nutrition. So that's why I wanted to invest in Vitamix. And by the way, I did not buy the brand new one. I just bought the certified reconditioned one from their website itself. I made sure to do a little bit of research to see if the reconditioned ones are as good as brand new one, and they said it's as good as brand new one. So let's see if it's even worth it. And let me take you to my kitchen. This is what it looks like. Super sexy and sleek. And look how big it is in front of my hand. It was heavy and looks super sturdy. It came with a recipe book. I wanted to try this smoothie to see how it tastes because I had kale in the refrigerator. I'm not really a fan of eating kale on salad, so I thought to use it as a smoothie. As per recipe, I got some green apples, green grapes, and oranges. I have all the ingredients on the required portion already to blend. Alright, let's give it a try. First is half cup of water, then goes grapes, orange, and apple, and lastly kale. I'm putting the kale with the steam itself. Let's see if it does a good job of blending it. Alright, let's give it a try. Maybe on a smoothie mode? Wow, it was quick and it does a good job of blending it, so refined. Alright, it's time to give it a try. It does not taste that raw green vegetable, maybe because of the sweetness from the fruits. Hey, there's a quick note. I'm also a skincare coach guiding you to improve your skin and lifestyle in 30 days. Currently, my program is absolutely for free based on donation, where 100% of that donation is going towards COVID-19 fund relief in Nepal through a non-profit organization called sahayata.org. And if you want a skincare specialist to guide you on simplifying your skincare routine and audit your lifestyle, focusing on the mindset, nutrition, and wellness, there is a link in the description box below. Make sure to grab this amazing opportunity free of cost right now. Alright, back to the benefit of nutrition on the skin. And the first ingredient is water. I did not want to skip this because this is something that we all struggle with, to have a right amount of hydration for our body per day. Second ingredient is green grapes. Grapes have an ingredient in them called resveratrol, and these resveratrol have a property that helps skin in protecting or from developing a skin cancer or heart disease. Third ingredient, orange. Orange is associated with vitamin C. It gives out that citrusy flavor and have that vitamin C, and these are the ingredients when we suggesting a product for brightening of the skin, evening out your skin, and it's great for the acne prone skin as well. Fourth ingredient is an apple. Apple has high amounts of elastin and collagen in them, and these are the main protein in our body that gives our skin that elasticity and plumpness. So it's really good for less wrinkles and giving that firmness to our skin. Fifth ingredient is kale. And kale is one of these superfoods that have a high amount of minerals and vitamins in them. And when you see a leafy green vegetables, we automatically resonate that with vitamin A. And vitamin A is one of the ingredients that is very, very popular in a skincare industry, known as a retinol or retin A. And these retin-As and retinol helps with the cell turnover faster and gives that amazing result to the skin. And this superfood does the same, detoxifying your skin, helping fight against the free radical, overall keeping your skin healthy with lots of antioxidants. And the good things are, it tastes good, it's easy to make, and you're getting the full nutrition with the raw food. So is it worth $500 for the skincare? This was my first recipe. Follow me on Instagram to see the behind the scene, and also I'll be sharing with you more recipes that I'll be trying on the Vitamix. I'll be looking forward to connect with you there, and I will see you in next video. Until then, do take care of yourself and namaste.